Recording? Yeah, recording right now. This is a feature at Maui Hill, and it's just finished. You can see the water is still a bit muddy from the rocks, and that'll wash out because this basin here is a filter, and it'll clean the water. But adding new water as you go along too will clean it up. But this also has lights underneath both fall and 4 other lights on the landscaping. So at nighttime, and I'll get a shot of that, you'll see what this looks like. But this is what they see when they come up the hill on Maui Hill. The hill at Maui Hill. And we can still see the elephant, which is good.